Leetcode weekly context 488. Question number 1. Count dominant indexes. This is an easy problem. We want to count the number of dominant elements. First of all, it will be easy for us to get a sum. In this case, it will be 12. Second, obviously, we want to do a loop. We have to go through all elements in this array. But while we are doing this looping, say index 0, index 1, index 2. When it is index 0, we take this number 5 out of this sum. Then the left sum will be 7. For index 1, we minus 4, then it will be 3. For the last one, it will be 0. Now how many numbers are left? To the right of this number 5, there are 2. So 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. And how many numbers are left for number 4? Is 1. It will be 3. And of course, we don't need this 0. This is the way we go through this array and resolve this problem.